I am going to show you how to add the open house to Zillow. Alright, so I'm going to be doing Cascade. So to add to Zillow, we're going to log into our Zillow account using our credentials for Jason. You will then use your Agent Hub to go to your listings. Alright, so I'm going to be working on a Cascade. So I'm going to find the house. I'll go ahead and click Edit Listing. It's going to have me log back in. Okay, this is exactly why we update the KWLS, so all the information is correct. I'll be scrolling down to add an open house. So we'll select the date and time. And we'll be able to scroll all the way down to the bottom and click Update for Sale by Agent. Now, if for whatever reason you need to remove an open house, you'll go back to your listings, back to the listing you were editing, scroll down, and you'll remove that scheduled open house. And again, save at the bottom. Alright. Server's unavailable, so we'll just make sure it did indeed remove. Okay, still scheduled. Again, remove. Update our for sale by agent. And now it's updated. So that's how you do it on Zillow.